Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Because I'm done listening. Talk to the Hamza. Strong, brave, and bold. Oh, yes. Now is the time to start doing what's good for you. Don't wait any longer. Time flies by faster than you think. Inspiring others. I help others feel empowered by acknowledging their gifts. "52. Align with the mentor. Your intuition will grow substantially through tapping the wisdom and skill set of someone's further along in their psychic development. This card may also signal that you require more tools for navigating life as a sensitive person. Being mentored in any area may prove invaluable now. Mentors often appear in divine timing." All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do white one. Care about what other people think and you will always be their prisoner. If you're feeling sadness, a low mood, or feeling down, you need to release something you've been holding on to. An expectation, a habit. I acknowledge no one is perfect. I am precious. I make a difference in the world. I am healthy. My life is meaningful. Beauty surrounds me. I am the source of my own happiness. I love and approve of myself completely. I am powerful and a loving being. Nothing lasts. As soon as you process a now, it becomes a then. There's only oneness. I cherish my uniqueness. I feel good about myself. Repeat after me. I am deserving of all the good that comes my way. I am confident in my unique talents and abilities. I am unstoppable in my pursuit of success and happiness. And the last one today. And say this to yourself often. I love myself. Loving myself is fun. Loving myself makes me feel good. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? The body benefits from movement and the mind benefits from stillness. Action. Exercise 5 days a week and meditate daily to give the body and mind the love it needs. Surf the serenity. Don't just do something. Sit there. As we relinquish the negative suppressed feelings from all the programs we have internalized, they are automatically replaced by the higher ones. When our inner feelings are of peacefulness, serenity, tranquility, stillness, openness, and simplicity, the effect on others is to increase their awareness along with our own, and to give them a greater sense of freedom, perfection, unity, and at oneness with others. Belonging. May you welcome yourself home. When in doubt, give people the benefit. Everyone else is trying their best, right? Except for maybe this person talking on speakerphone in public. Alrighty, what are our quotes today? The longer you think, the less you do. I think I say I love you too much. It's strange how sometimes it startles people, but I remember that's why I'm here, to love and to startle. Fear is a teacher disguised as an obstacle. Psst, sugar increases depression. Our minds are so powerful, we can invent, create, destroy, or experience with thoughts alone. Be wise. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? You get to name it. If you're not careful, you might believe the people who tell you who you are, but you are not the owner of your story. We are all allowed to hold our own experiences up to the light and decide what to call them, to define them for ourselves and explain or not explain, whatever that meaning is to the people around us. Notice and accept what your feelings are about a situation, then proceed to clear them as a priority rather than indulge in emotionality. Go within yourself and acknowledge negative feelings as they arise. Let them come up without suppressing them and without venting them. Then shift your attention from the feelings to something else. Let the feeling be there and let them go. Number 3, tune in to tune off. Unplug from technology. Improve relationships. Be present. Turn off technology for 15 minutes a day, during meal times or before sleep. How will you unplug today? Imagine that your heart opens a little more every time you breathe out. It's easier for you to receive your dream with an open heart. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this one. Love needs action. Trust needs proof. Sorry needs change. I choose to be myself and to express my truth. Who can you trust? Yourself. Get quiet and listen and feel into you. I am compassionate by listening, sharing, understanding, and being of service. I have compassion for myself and for those around me. Health hacks to add to your day. Have a savory breakfast instead of something sweet. Add vinegar in a glass of water once a day before a meal. Add a veggie starter before one meal a day. And go for a 10-minute walk after one meal a day. A 41% improvement. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.